Hi everyone! I got my Annie's Kit Club, and this is the Quilter's Holiday Club. So let's take a look and see what I got. This is my first time getting it, so I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up and see what I got. It really looks like from the pictures that they have on the website that it can be some really cute, different holiday inspired projects. I'm kind of nervous to cut into this since I know it's fabric. Okay, it's just gonna peel up fairly easily. I'm trying to, I'm really excited. So let's see, it looks like it's gonna be something fall to me. So let's pull this out and see. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be really fun and really, really cute. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about this Annie's Holiday Quilters Club. So right now your first shipment for this set is $19.99, but after the first shipment that you get, because it's monthly, it goes up to $39.99. So I will let you know what I think, if I think it's worth it and everything. So with my shipping this time was free. I'm not sure if that is always the case. With how cute this is, I'm definitely going to get another one, so I'll let you know if I get charged shipping. So with tax though, it does come out to $21.64. So you guys, you want to see what this is? So Autumn Hostess set. So it looks like there is a like a pot holder and some cute little towels. Let's see exactly what it says everything is. Let's see. Looks like I'm just gonna have to rip it open. So I'll definitely be doing this project, you know, as right away so that I can let you know how easy these projects are to do, because I know everybody's at a different place in sewing. So, and I'll let you know if there's any extra things you need outside of the fabric provided here. I'm sure you'll need like basic sewing supplies like thread and a way to cut everything. So what I'll do, we get tea towels, there's pumpkin pot holders, and applique leaves on the pot holders. So in your kit, it tells you right here what all you'll need outside of what's in the kit. So I'll let you know right now. So in your kit, you're provided with the 2 tea towels. So let's see. So it looks like that is in here. So I'll open that and show you. So you're provided with the 2 tea towels, and they're 19.5 inches by 27.5 inches. So that's really nice. You're not gonna have to sew this. It sounds like you're just gonna be adding some fun details onto this. So you get the 2 tea towels, then you're gonna get a ½ yard of green tonal. And I'm gonna assume that is this, because this is the only green that looks like it would be a ½ yard, and that is really pretty. This is right up my alley for holiday. Then you get a ½ yard of fall print, which I'm going to assume is this one, and it is gorgeous. It has pies all over it. There are signs that say pumpkin patch and apple picking. There's pumpkins. I mean, nothing else can scream fall more than this. There are leaves, apples, a lot of different words all over it. It is so cute. Okay, so that's the ½ yard of fall print. Then you're gonna get a ½ yard of fall plaid. Who does not love plaid? I adore plaid. And this is a great color. Very, very fall. Then you're gonna get a ½ yard of orange tonal. It's a very burnt orange look. I love it because I'm not a big fan of really bright oranges. And then you're gonna get a 10-inch square of brown tonal. I'm not a big fan of brown, but I'm gonna guess this is just gonna be a detail, maybe on the pumpkin or something along those lines. And then you even get the green embroidery floss that you will need for part of the project. So I think a good amount of stuff that we'll need for this project is provided. I really love that. And do you want to see the tea towels closer up? I didn't even think about that, but they are a pretty decent quality. I think they are more, you know, gonna be decorative. They don't feel like they would be great at really drying your hands on or, you know, anything like that, but they are perfect for a decorative tea towel. Great to put out just to add some decor to your kitchen. So that is all the supplies that you get. What you'll also need is 10 by 16 inch piece of insulating batting and a 10 by 28 inch 100% cotton batting. You're gonna need some template materials, I would assume, for cutting, a 1/4 yard of fusible web with paper release, embroidery needle, walking or even feed foot to fit your machine, thread, basic tools, and supplies. So then it just goes on to all of the directions that you need. So it shows you the supplies there, and then it tells you all the things that you need outside of what you did get. I love that they provide a detailed list of what is in your kit, just so you know right away before you get started if you are missing something. So let's see. So then it just goes on to the cutting. I really like that. I like to get everything cut and ready to go. And then just so you can see what some of the projects look like, that is the pumpkin pot holder. Here is a leaves pot holder. And then the details that you'll add on to the tea towels. So leaves and everything is gonna look really cute matching. And it looks like pumpkin. And then you are provided with all the templates that you need to cut the leaves and the pumpkins and different things like that out. So I think they did a good job of providing everything that you need. I think this project is adorable, very cute, and I would actually probably make more of some of these things on my own with my own fabrics and prints. So I'm really excited about this. So this is called the Autumn Hostess set. And yeah, I'm gonna put everything together and I will let you know what I think, if it was an easy project to make, if I thought it was pretty advanced. I don't know. It says this is a project for a confident beginner. So it should definitely be something that I'm able to do. So I'm gonna get started on this as soon as possible. We're running out of fall, you guys. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so it took me a couple days, but I finished this Autumn Hostess set from Annie's Holiday Quilters Club. So I just want to recap and give you my thoughts. I did include some of the steps I took to complete this set and everything, but I didn't include everything, and I'm sorry for that. Just sometimes, you know, I forget to start recording or different things like that, but I tried to include a bit just to see how everything is worked through. Now, I want to give my thoughts on this pattern. I did think it was easy to follow and easy to understand, but I personally would not call it a confident beginner's pattern. And I have a few reasons why I feel that way. Because I think, so I purchased this set because it said Holiday Quilters, and I didn't feel like much of this that was quilting. Was it sewing? Yes. But quilting, there wasn't very much of it. The only quilting that we really did was adding the accents on this pumpkin oven mitt, and it turned out really cute. It's pretty hard to do binding around curved shapes. So that's another reason why I didn't feel like it was, you know, quite a confident beginner. I would have called this set more of an intermediate. I think that's nitpicking on it a little bit because, you know, this is the first thing I've received from them. So, you know, I think everybody's idea of what is a beginner's pattern and what's intermediate and all that stuff is probably going to be different. But I was a little disappointed that there wasn't a lot of quilting, because that's what I got this bundle for. It was really applique heavy, which I'm not good at all. So here you can see the leaves. I'm just not good at doing that. I don't really know how to do it properly. I have a really hard, if it's a simple shape, I can do it, but all this curving, it's just not something I know how to do. I tried using my free motion attachment to do it, and I did include some video of that. It didn't work out very well. It's not something I've ever really did a lot of, so this project being really heavy on that was pretty hard. I do think, you know, this pot holder turned out really cute. You can see there was a lot of hand stitching that went on with this as well. So if that's something you don't like, then it may not have been fun for you. These towels were probably my favorite part of the project to do. I did love learning how to add the fabric onto the bottom of the towel, and I think it looks really, really good and really professional. I loved the way they showed how to do this, so I will probably use that skill a lot to make my own tea towels, because I think it turned out really beautiful. So yeah, that's the whole set. There is 2 towels and the oven mitt that is pumpkin shaped and the pot holder. So overall, I thought it was a fun project to do. I did learn a lot. I learned that I need to look into how to do applique better, because that did not turn out that great. So I did think it was a lot of fun. I learned a lot doing it, and I'm excited to get my next step, my next box. I just honestly hope that it has more quilting in it than just more like a sewing project, which I felt this was more of. I got this bundle for $19.99 because your first box is half off. So my next one will be $40. I think that was a fair price for this. I used to get their fabric stash bundle, the half quarter bundles or whatever it is. And I did not think that was worth the price. But this one, I think I could see the $40 because you get the pattern. There was a lot of different things I was able to make in this. And if I went to the store to get, you know, a tea towel set that all went together for holiday, I could see it costing around this. And then, you know, I have a lot of fabric left over from this. I could probably do another, you know, 2 pot holders or an oven mitt and a pot holder still. So with everything that's left over that I could either use for other projects or things like, I think the price is fair. I had fun. I'm gonna get another box or 2 just to really see how this set works. This is the perfect time of year for me to get this holiday bundle because I love decorating for fall. I love decorating for Christmas. When it gets past there, I'm going to be curious to see what they send. So I might hold on a little bit longer than the next 2 to see. But yeah, overall, I think it was fun. It was worth it. I wish there was more quilting involved. That's probably all I could say for it. So let me know what you think of the projects that they sent. How do you feel about them? Do you think it was fair to call them quilting projects, or was it more of a sewing project? But thanks so much for watching, and I hope you decided to subscribe to my channel if you thought this video was helpful, if you were trying to look into this subscription. If it helped you out, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.